For the video, can we say welcome to OCAD? 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to OCAD. Creative writing is a brand new program. We encourage students to bring their attitude translated to the page and to the stage. We're excited to launch this, and we are amazed at the amount of interest.
This is studies for sculpture. We did how to make human body so that people can get familiar with the materials.
What happens in life studies?
Everything. It's the first cross-disciplinary program that OCAD has.
This workshop today, we take the cell staining process to paint with microscopes using scientific methodologies to create artwork.
I love textiles. She's really excited. She's taken to it really well. I can take an idea in my head and make it into a digital print, and that can be something I wear, something that's tactile.
This is the Thesis Studio. People are coming through and watching them paint so they can see where the students end up in their 4th year.
We're in the photo cage. I'm showing the equipments that we have, digital labs and manual labs.
Hi, Lou! Are you actually filming? No.
I am, yeah.
What?
Through making objects, we understand how diverse needs can be. By looking at very specific users, we drive innovation.
I get a lot of questions from potential students about differences between advertising and graphic design. There's more of an emotional component to the advertising.
I think there's more emotion. I just answer by saying advertising is much more conceptual. You can go back to the teacher.
The two things are intertwined. Design to me is about structured communication. Advertising has that as well, but the added component is that emotional engagement.
I'm in the illustration program. Illustration is everything around you. Comics, you can do editorial, you can do advertising, put your unique spin to different subject matter, and that's why I love them.